In Nevada, the state's COVID task force hopes more information will be available about that vaccine in the next month. Even so, distribution for the general public will not be anytime soon. But as we wait for a vaccine, the state is doing what they can to control it. 8 News Now reporter Sally Jaramillo joining us live with an update on the vaccine.
Right on today's COVID-19 call, the discussion was of the increase of cases and community spread. State of Nevada COVID-19 Response Director Caleb Cage says for the most recent 7-day period, cases are growing at a rate of 1.2%. As of Monday, 10 counties have been flagged for elevated transmission, including Clark.
The state has completed a total of 1,344,308 molecular tests since the beginning of COVID-19.
The last 14 days, test positivity rate has been 13.6%. Nevada continues to see a resurgence and a significant resurgence in COVID-19 hospitalizations.
The general consensus from contact tracing is that we are experiencing community-wide spread at this time, and that there is no specific source of that anytime we do have increased human-to-human contact.
Caleb says they're pushing local governments to implement more enforcement and mitigation measures if they have elevated cases within the area.
That includes focusing on contact tracing, enforcement, as well as measures like we saw from Washoe County recently. I believe it was 2 weeks ago, going into effect last week, their reduction from 250 people at gatherings to 50 people.
And something to keep in mind as the holidays are approaching, limiting those large gatherings.
If you have the ability to postpone events, cancel events, or make events smaller, that's absolutely an option you should consider.
Also on the call, the director of Nevada Department of Veteran Services, Kat Miller. Miller says that this Veterans Day, they're going to be celebrating a little bit different. They're going to be preparing a video to share so they make sure that COVID-19 isn't being spread. Reporting live near the Strip, Sally Jaramillo, 8 News Now.